Dear friends, if you want to earn a lot of money, then you have to do e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or create a YouTube channel, but not everyone can do this. Today, I have come up with a new and small idea in which you can do small tasks like sharing videos, subscribing to channels, joining groups, and watching YouTube videos while sitting at home in Pakistan from 300 to 1000 rupees and can take your Jazz Cash or Easy Paisa. Then what method will you have to follow for it? And how will you get the withdrawal? How will you work? For you have to watch this video to know all these secrets. Please subscribe the channel and do not forget to press bell icon for every video notification. Video coming soon within 2 or 3 days inshallah. So we'll definitely keep watch.